Well, finally, we got a chat branching feature for ChatGPT Mobile. And basically, with this feature, you can easily split the conversation into multiple different directions. Let's say you're searching for a product and then you want to split that conversation or discussion into multiple different directions. Perhaps in one split, you want to focus on the alternatives, but on the other split, you want to focus on the reviews about the product. So this is very useful, and there are many great use cases utilizing this chat branching feature. So if you're new to this feature, then let me show you how you can use it on ChatGPT mobile app. Now, make sure that you are using the latest version of the app, otherwise you might not seeing that feature. And after that, you can start chatting normally. And for this demonstration, let's say I'm considering to buy a second-hand Google Pixel phone, and then I'll show you how I branch that conversation into different topics basically. So this is my first prompt. Hey, I'm considering to buy a second-hand Google Pixel phone. Do you think that is a great idea? Okay, let me just send the message and just wait for the answer. Okay, now if you want to branch the conversation, you can click this three-dot icon and then select branch in new chat. So basically this is the answer from ChatGPT, and for this particular branch, I want to focus on, hey, can you suggest the best second-hand Pixel phones that I could buy right now with, good deals but still decent performance? And yeah, basically I just want to focus on, the phones that I could buy, and I would branch the previous conversation again, but to a different direction. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, all right. Now, so this is the branch. It is from the second-hand Pixel device. If I tap on this, then it will bring me to the original branch, original chat basically. And I want to branch from here again. I'm going to tap on this icon again, select branch new chat. And I guess for this one, I want to focus. Well, actually, I want to focus on Google Pixel 5. Do you think that is a good phone? So on my previous branch, I focused on asking AI the best Pixel phones that I could buy right now. But for this one, I specifically asked or discussed about Google Pixel 5. So those are two different directions or different topics. And again, the original chat is still available. So if you go back and you navigate to the list of chat, you can see that we got the branch 1 and then branch 2, and then we got the original chat, which is this one, and still don't have any response, just only this one, because again after that point I just enabled the branching feature. And you can actually continue to chat normally, and then you can branch the latest chat the latest chat from AI. Sorry about that. So yeah, it's basically very useful, and you can branch at any point during the conversation. So that's how you can use the chat branching feature in ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.